I was going to add that phrase libraries is a very interesting topic because it's something that we do hear that our clients struggle with a lot, whether it's, like you said, specific countries or even just maintaining it consistently. So some clients do have a manual phrase library, a lot rely on our translation memory that they store, and many are using software as well. But the challenge clients tend to have is not necessarily the reuse, it's the predefined rules that are in a system and that are not continuously governed by a regulatory specialist. So for us, we embed this in our process. So for us, it's default. So we always have an up-to-date phrase library that the client does not need to maintain. So the key thing that we're able to offer our clients is shifting from a static or rule-based phrase library into a more governed and continuously validated reuse of their content. So they get all the benefits, but without the admin work. We don't charge extra.